Ready to transform Arc browser from a standard tool into your ultimate, personalized browsing powerhouse? Let's dive in. First, access Arc settings. Click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. That's your main menu. Then, select Settings. This is your control center for all things customization. Let's get those essential extensions installed. Navigate to the Extensions tab. From here, you can search and install extensions directly from the Chrome Web Store. Think ad blockers, password managers, or note-taking tools, whatever makes your browsing life easier. Time to personalize the look and feel. In the left-hand menu, find Appearance. Here, you can switch between light and dark mode, adjust the browser's accent color to match your style, and even explore custom themes. Now, let's boost your efficiency with custom keyboard shortcuts. Head over to the Shortcuts tab. Arc allows you to reassign shortcuts for virtually any action, making navigation lightning fast. Customize them to fit your specific workflow. Next, let's master tab management. Click on the Tab section. Explore options like automatically archiving inactive tabs to keep things tidy, or grouping related tabs together for better organization. Experiment and find what keeps your workspace clutter-free. Finally, optimize Arc for peak performance. Go to the Performance tab. Here, you can tweak settings like memory saver to reduce RAM usage, especially helpful if you tend to have many tabs open. Tailor these settings based on your computer's specs. And that's it. You've now unlocked the power to personalize Arc browser and create a browsing experience that's truly your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Arc browser tips and tricks. What are your favorite Arc customizations? Share them in the comments below.